Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Go, take a part. Go, the grass.
Can't no ripper, man.
Take a back to the door. I want to take up.
You cook only night.
Oh, I never that talk to you, man. Yeah. Put on that same me. When I talk about the stuff them.
You know, and himself over call me and shout him.
Who? Well, there. Look why you prepared this morning.
No, I know, sir.
You know, brownie.
Eh?
Throw in there again.
Yeah, no. You get it, yeah.
That's a bit hard.
You are prepared.
Sit up, man.
You see you go on there after baby.
Last night that bit hard. Well. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So this is the morning. We're heading up to Cranberry to do some work. You know, we're going to do some work this morning on the house. You know, so we and the team is here. We're gonna get getting ready to go put on do some work this morning. Eh? Anybody? Okay. Yeah. So doesn't enough?
Yeah, what? Yeah. What? We see it and I'll give me game.
Ready, you know, man, ready. Move, you go move, you know, bro.
How would I?
Yeah, we know for me and him. I ain't got me a drive.
Where is it? Tell me if you feel it.
Don't come, man. That's dead to blood.
Give 90.
Man, them always.
Alright guys, so stop at the area to get some more little 1 and 2 stuff, you know, that we're gonna need also, you know, so we're at the same hardware.
Yeah, when I put in there, this the base.
No, man. That's right.
Alright guys, so we just we buy the next 2 gallon of paint, also and buy some more things to go, and the light as well, some brackets and stuff like that. So spend 18,000 on one receipt and spend 14,000 on another receipt. So you know the thing goes, so you have to continue going to do the right thing. So today we're going to put in one hell of a load of work today. So now we're getting the paint mix. Getting the paint mix right now. 404. One hour love. Anything love. I'll get the next stuff there. Oh, Baja there. You get the pipe already? Yeah, man. Man, said, one bag of long thing. We get some more electrical pipe as well. We got the paints and other stuff, so
Catch the window. This is come out.
Church still.
Yeah, this is come out.
Take out the cup. Hold on.
Church now come out.
You church and fish?
Oh, yeah, one big one, the Jesus, yeah.
Alright guys, so there we arrived and the team is out. We out, dream team marching in.
Oh. Rip them, just a rip. Round the world. What's going on there? Over there, so same with that. You can tell me start river. Because we don't know who they got to wait to police.
Police
in the town, so we dive for so. The papi go. Yeah, everybody.
now which one?
Yeah. No round, we go. Round popping so. You know the road there?
Oh, yeah, I come around.
Yeah, I'll come up. You say I'm glad to know the road.
But we never see none when we come. Oh.
When I come up, we see the black kids up there.
Okay.
Right, you always side right next to them there.
Oh, that must be after we pass.
Yeah.
Because we had the hardware. What should I bring the cake this time?
Yeah, cake there.
Oh, they're not reaching a bag. I didn't put them in a bag. You bring the bucket one. Let's bring the bucket and go on, Jackson.
That there my side.
Just go on and come back to the rest. Go on with the bucket. Take out that stove there. Go on with them always. You can go on.
Carry the cake on that.
To the stove there.
And the stove. Where's the stove?
Put the cake in this. Put the cake in that. Oh no, you have to manage.
Yeah, give me the cake. Yeah, man. That's so.
The food are done?
Yeah, rip off that. Put it in the stove. Go and go where the car. The thing out now, though. Come in. Lock up and fall.
I'll come back here. No.
Bleed now want him shoes wet up, brother. You know, bleed now. You have on slippers and you know want to go in the water. Do what this. Everybody has something, brother. No, the man now looks like your shoes in the water, going in the water. That I have to watch them step there, you know.
Can walk on a rock there, so. The slippers there for a ripper. So that blue bag there, and the fish in that one there, yeah?
Blue bag?
That. Yeah. And the fish in that.
Alright.
Can walk that way, you know? Yeah.
Your side?
Boat. Oh, this.
Oh, me want to
table.
be
Rotten place, rotten down.
I don't know where you put them up on it. Too much weight, take out some of them. Bring on the bench, so I'll put the thing in some of them on the bench. Go inside.
Just at the side.
Cranberry, me don't have go to school, you know, brother.
No.
Cranberry, a school is here.
I wonder. And if Oreos could have come.
Yeah, man, you can suck it as a man.
Put something.
Right, that's a
Yeah, man.
That is concrete, man. Like in my rest of my stuff on the building, what do you know?
When I'm in background, should I put a buy all the socket a while ago and don't see it.
I plug me, sir.
Plug there. Ma plug up there, man.
Yeah, but we never
Buy
want
plug,
to.
man.
You want to do it, don't you?
Right, sir.
Oh, I tell you, ma plug up there, go for
You don't want
Oh, I meant back, yeah.
Oh,
let you they are ready.
this one's the plug.
Yeah, let's go on the plug then.
Nana, you go for one?
Yeah, man. Why the surface one?
Surface one.
Tell me come up. Where name there? Rasta there.
You gone now?
Call up the Ras. I'm a tool.
Yeah, tell him to come with the tool.
Right, so I got the Rasta gun do film.
Yeah.
Right, so that's the Rasta.
Go for one broom, please.
Go for one broom, please, Cranberry. Nana, no school today? No.
Last week,
Yeah,
I
no.
did that school. All of them that school last So let's start from man. What's out there, you
Alright guys, so we're getting stuff organized, you know, so I'm gonna get some more coal. We have coal. We have some coal here. Left the last. Oh chef, check if it not wet, you know. Check if it not wet. So I rain fall up here now.
Join, man.
Alright, so we have some fish as well too that Shay, you know, give us some fish, you know, Shay TV, Shay World TV, so she's coming as well too as well. We have Sparks, I go and prepare the coconut them for me.
Oxo.
And cut them up so we can blend them. And we have the pumpkins so today.
right.
You make it?
Yes, Safi.
Alright, you make it. So we have do some pumpkin dumpling today with some black beans, stew and some fried fish, you know, on the side. So some stew piece. See, are the all the knives that we have?
And then one they will use.
You see, me tell you there's no knife up there, man.
So that, man.
How about this? A chopper this one, Nana. How about this? A chopper this, brother.
Prefect.
Watch it off and try.
Team leader.
Key, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't prefect.
Yeah, man.
I mean, prefect.
I mean genius. Sorry about that. I forgot to delete this.
I call prefect, man. I call prefect.
A genius.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Team leader, genius.
So, oh, here we have to do then, yeah.
Yeah.
Let us go and use that
Team leader.
and go and splice them up.
Nothing.
So we can go in at the blender.
Yeah,
Go and peel out the pumpkin then, man. Go and peel out the pumpkin then. Put them one side.
The pumpkin have to cut up, see you, man.
No, cut up CMA too. Come on.
No, another bag, yeah.
Go pumpkin, man, so the blender.
Open that.
Blender this.
Thank you.
You can bring a pumpkin there as well, see, you know.
Oh,
That one there. Use that one there.
use that one there.
Yeah. But that one there still just in case if you need backup. Cut it, machine. Yeah, give me that pumpkin and off I'm farm. This farm. It's just temporary, you know, I bring it back up. You see, night. Oh yeah. Okay, pretty. It's off, farm.
Yeah. You know, say, farm, you know, say a good side up on farm, you know. Mandeville. Yeah, man. I eat, man.
How much for that?
Now we about 4 pounds more.
Alright, so cut half of this and even the half.
Yeah, don't let them see good. You can check you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one take up all right.
You go see that.
Yeah. But they cut up me still. You know what, let's cut up everything. Let's cut up that as well too. Because I'm going to put something in the fish anyway, so we see where left. We see what left. Hey, I'm going to check. Alright, come, Cranberry. I get the coal and come back.
It's where you go back.
Wait.
Yeah, so you tell you so. You hear the texture.
Excuse. Mommy!
Bleach, I wash it.
Yeah, go on before.
No, how does?
450.
For a pan?
That's just it. Shannon,
Charge it. Oh. Charge is sick.
Yeah.
Where go on? You wake up and vomit?
This is about 450.
450 for a pan?
And lucky boy.
Is it much a pan?
About 4 bills.
4 bills.
And about
So charge you wake up and vomit. How will you eat?
I'm thinking what I do when I vomit up at the drinks man some night.
Oh.
I'm gonna look for some poetry. You know, that is fun. This is it. You see when Georgie start from it, Georgie need to go to the doctor. And Georgie ever ignore that and wait till one more day.
And you get
that
worse.
can always get worse. And then you have to go over there. Because normally them they give him about 2 jeep. When him get the 2 jeep, him alright. Him know that too.
Yeah.
12.
Yeah,
So
they
check.
don't know what to do. And God, if you're married, then we have to get some help.
So that happened yesterday?
From last night, I'm saying never feel
Last night.
Why you didn't got that in water?
Is that bed? We look for some food. And then last night he wake up, he put fire in the needle. So I tell Nana say, as he wake up, Nana end up giving the needle and him taking insulin. So when he get a plan, man, he start vomit. He give him some tea, sugar and he get some tea and he drink a ginger beer. So I say, look for some porridge and see if it does stay down. But you know, he have to get that. If you don't get it, he will suffer. That's why I'm saying Carl Nancy's mind, but he say,
Nana, me no for play.
Charge him, remember the best thing to do, you know. Lie down and go fix it. I when we miss the insulin, why?
come out.
So when we miss the insulin?
No, him take it. Him take it in the night and feel it to drop. So him take it for Billy talk back. So when he take it and then him wake up from it.
For the insulin? Oh, so where that drop? Him pressure? The sugar?
Him sugar.
Where that drop?
So him get up and take it. But him wait for Bill up. But if you go down and you see him, they just bring the insulin and then them give him the. But you know what?
So you give him something sweet?
Him did want a ginger beer. He never want the sweetie this morning. He want a ginger beer, so him end up drinking. I have to make none of them buy a sweetie when I go down the road.
Yeah, the sweetie.
Every time when I go down the road, I have to end up send them this morning, go buy the ginger beer, because him just say, that alone him did feel for. And when him drink it, him can make it.
Or the
buy
sweet biscuit.
and a Lasco. I could have mixed some Lasco. Could have mixed some Lasco, the Lasco sweet.
No man, I throw that at dairy. No man, something sweet like, you know, a sweet biscuit or something.
Yeah, my son finished, but if I wash out them, I'm finished.
I only show a part I wash out so good.
No, Tara, Tara, no. No.
Charge, you have cheese, eh?
Alright, I'm make one out a piece of steel. What extension you charge?
You never bring your one?
No, but put a pen and plug on the machine on that. I'll cut a piece of steel and make a chisel.
We are going to tile?
Yeah.
Okay. So Baja is going to be the tiling today, guys. So you know we're going to tile off in here and everything. So today's the day. So now you see it, you're going to see this one is complete. Yeah, but yo, as I say, see them here, they should have done already. You know, take them on time and take the right amount. No, yeah, exactly. I should have done already. I don't know if they're on another board.
Guys, you have cheese in there?
No, I don't pick it up. No, bag of cheese in there. Put it up here, bag there. Alright, now cut one and cut steel.
Cut a steel.
Yeah, I make one.
And beat it out.
No, beat it out, you cut it down.
Oh. Oh, that one had the connect already? This the connect already?
No, sir.
Oh, you must have the fan plug in it.
Set it up in my car. Prepare feet, you know?
Oh.
You can use it up to them.
Yes. Alright, charge me now, lad. I should have finished a long time. I miss them, man. Yeah, they should have finished. You know, take them on time, you know what I got me to go off reoccur again. You know it's bitter, you know, but you have to face the bitterness, you know?
Bitterness is no problem, no.
Yeah.
That's the healing.
The healing, right? The bitterness, what they needed. Or the purifier, the small one, you know, this should have finished long time.
Alicia. Put that right like this. Over there. It's right. Tara, to go for the comb.
Just take out the loose one. I can stay there?
No, more to come. The wire. Let's see.
Yeah.
What about this student?
So apparently, you know, charge is sick again, you know. Say, listen, you got look like it's going back to bad habit again, you know. Because even the stuff them that they give him a good while now where them should have finished take them still there same way. So it's like keep stop really taking them or something. But them should have finished by now and got them a good while back, you know, and all this stuff. So I've noticed some bad habits, you know, but you know, sometimes you just can't bother to be talking over the same thing over and over again, you know. Sometimes people always gonna end up feel, you know, because I saw some habits that you start to do back where you're not supposed to, you know. So there's only so much we can literally do, you know, in trying to assist him and his health. But the next step is for him to give that full interest to try to help himself, you know. So I don't know. So I'm gonna start preparing some stuff in the kitchen as well too. You know, we have share TVs coming as well too. So we have some guests coming with her, you know. So we'll start the food out and everything. So you know, everything goes, guys. So coconut already cut up, so them are ready to go blend. And them say blending is splending, you know. So we have that there. We have the black beans here soak, you know. I'm gonna put on the black beans in a minute, but first I'm gonna put the coconut, you know. So here I brought the neutral bullet, you know, the thing, or bullet up the thing. And we have the pumpkin as well too, for blend as well, so for the flour. So first we're gonna start off, and we got a cake right here, you know, for share up for everyone to get a taste of the rum cake. So everyone's gonna have rum cake, you know, except me. Yeah, me. Well, I'm going to put water in it. Nah, you want to be the video lady? Because you do a better job than this lady. See me with what?
You know I'm worried.
Set the coalish part, the breeze can blow underneath it. But the breeze will blow from the way.
Are we there?
Yeah, so the breeze can blow underneath it. Alright, so come on, yes, Nana. Just stand up on the rock. Alright, so first we're gonna add some coconut in this.
The cup too small.
Eh?
That's a cut small. Coconut cup too small. Yeah. You know tell us it's a cut small. Because you can mash the blender. La femme elle fait un gros
So here we have the neutral blend, you know. This bullet, it's been using for a while. So I guess it's not too rapidly speeding, but it's okay, it's working. So
smooth it. Smooth it.
It is like smoothie.
Yep. Dream team never real.
Get the boat up and ready up and see it. Ready up and get the pumpkin dumpling alive, you know?
So my time here.
Come. Well, the NutriBullet really grind this out like a hyena teeth.
Take a whole of the trash.
Cook some pumpkin dumpling and I said, no, I have to come do it on the river again. Yeah, I even cook yesterday.
Oh.
I'm here.
This.
I say, no, I come bust it again because I've never tried it yet with the black beans. So this time I'm giving it with the black beans, you know. And we have some fried fish on the side. So then getting this black bean stew. This is not Kotikan stew, you know, this is Dream Team stew.
Right.
And to make sure so we get this well rich. Not pour in it.
Come in.
Come.
You.
I bet them can't find none. Eh? What happened now? We can't find any? Who want a knife? Get a phone a knife? Get them for them knife there.
Green coconut, you know? Not coconut powder. This gives it a real flavor.
Wash out that for me, please. Two of them. I got to rest back some coconut. Oh, for charge your phone.
Oh, yeah. Try them come. I'll be charge you for them. Yeah, we just have to
My Leah. Leah. Alright, show them another pot now, 30 grand.
Yeah, man. See there?
All juice.
Yeah, man. I two of them I give for watch.
Yeah, wash them out, give me quicker. So here now, we have the pumpkin blending, you know, and this time we cannot say flour short because these are 2 pound flours. I'm gonna make sure I bring 3 packets, which is 6 pounds of flour, because today we have some real dumpling eater here, you know. Today we have some real dumpling eater. We have one man where we eat 20 dumplings. See over there, Sparks. Yeah man, we have some real 15. So we have some real dumpling eater here today. So you know where it goes already. Dumpling galore. So coconut is on. I'm gonna make the flour and the black beans right here. You know, I go and boil. So that's the black beans there I go and boil, right? As I say, we have some real dumpling eater here today. Dumpling. So these are some 2 pound ones, literally. So I got three packets. So that's how the thing set today. I'm gonna say we have guests should be coming. You know, hopefully they're still here. You know, Shea World, because she gave us some fish. So she's gonna bring some more fish. So she's coming because she already know her way. So today, 6 pounds of flour. Should I do it? 6 pounds? How much more there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cranberry families. 5 alone there right here, so. Oh, the guy there, 6. Plus Baja, 7. Prefect, 8. Jella, 9. And total grand, 10 Dream Team members. Right? And plus Cranberry family, which is 6 of them. That's 16. And plus Shay, another one Shay is coming, so Shay will be 17. So I will go to 6. Can't work, so.
Pumpkin that, you know?
This is 6 pounds of flour. This take muscle. So here we have 6 pounds of flour. You see everything in total?
Yeah, man.
All pumpkin need right in. Make sure you don't say no white, notice?
Yeah.
There's no white.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to say. No white.
No white.
Alright.
Woo! Yeah, see? So I go on. Heavy. The flour is £6 and the pumpkin is £3. £9 I'm lifting right here. Alright then, so that's that. So I have to go. Guys, now if we go start get wash for beating, because wash for always keep forgetting the stuff them. So they come into the river, you know? Every time. Time to put in the flour because my coconut milk already, the pot already seasoned up. See there? Season up, so you know it's ready for the dumpling to go in. So today's a different menu. We have the black beans right here. You know, that's waiting for our chef to ready with these prepping.
Yes, man. So ready out, man.
Yeah, so our chef remember cut them nice, slim and fine.
No, man, wash them off first when I start cut up, man.
Yeah, so our chef will go and prep that for me. Chris. So here's the nature vibes, guys. So the river is there and we're here. You know, the river is there, and as you can hear the sound, the peaks, the tranquility. You know, the river is there. Beautiful sunshine. So here, dumpling time. So this is £6 of flour with about £3 of pumpkin, £3.5 of pumpkin in total. You know. So here we're gonna drop our first one in the pot. Bam. So catch me rolling. I'm strolling. I'm not patrolling, but dumpling mauling. Yeah man, up here so. You can't manage. Alright guys, so now go and roll these and I'll catch you back when I finish, because there's a whole lot of dumpling this I have to need right now. Whole lot of dumpling. This is gonna fill up the whole pot, you know. Alright, yeah man, that good there so. Yeah, that good there so. Because I'm gonna utilize it when I share, because this mash up. And level. Here's the pumpkin and here's the dumpling. And now one. Today's gonna be a wonderful pot. You know, trust me. They're gonna lick them 10 finger, so them probably bite it off. Wait. Can't believe, guys, Jella bring me £1 a scallion and 2 pieces at a time. You hear me say? Jenna, I couldn't believe. I have to ask her what's going on. £1 a scallion and 2 slim pieces at a time. You know, we have one day at a time missing. Melissa take all the time. You know? So it's like we're wasting so much time, so the time missing. That's what's happening when you're wasting too much time. Time missing now.
man. So going to white and school man, black bean.
So I will catch you back when I finish. Sparks, you never eat it then? The pumpkin dumpling? You eat the oats one?
Yeah.
So Sparks never eat the pumpkin dumpling yet. He meet the oats one. He had the oats one and get the oats one, but he never get this one. This look like the patty though.
Yeah man, I can't do the patty with him.
Yeah. So the patty though, look, have this look.
The black cat down here, black cat got it? Eh? Black cat so for the Yeah man, black cat there too man. I sure
One man say he can eat 15.
Yeah man, well
I want to see that today. I want to see that. There's a cake that. Where you talk about 15? Last for 3 days? What, 1 go? This man said 1 go.
Yeah man, dump.
15, you hear that? So today no one want to see that.
Yeah.
When you eat that whole life, what's your name? Eat that whole life food.
The Sparks, let me share 15 dumpling for you. Can you eat that?
No.
Let me share 15.
Not to the man.
But more no answer. If I share 15 for you, you can eat them off? Not say 15, 10.
10 a cake.
So a cake then?
Bring it out.
You know I bring home none though.
None
not carry. Cranberry says she can eat 10.
No sir, talk shit.
Cranberry attack though.
She can eat 10 dumpling.
No sir.
But
today
everybody food.
So today we want to see that right now from Sparks, you know? At least we are trying with 10. We don't want to give him 15.
Alright, 10 then.
I have to go eat them off. I don't want him to talk with bring home any.
No, Sparks, I eat about 10.
You know?
All 10.
The man that remember said Ginger the same one to dumpling as well too, you know, so.
Oh, I bring them home for him.
You can remember Ginger food.
Yeah, I bring home, yeah man.
Please remember Ginger to dumpling. We are Ginger at least me remember for now. So them have to remember for later. Alright guys, so look. This is all the dumpling. This is all the dumpling. Beautiful. So now let's go over. So here's the carrot, the pumpkin, the Irish, the sweet potato. Everything is ready here for the black bean spot. So this is a black bean stew. So this is how we're making the stew. Alright, so this is the stew. Pass the coconut milk to me, please.
What?
So, coconut milk.
Murder.
So I'm going to leave this to cook down before. So I'm going to prepare the seasoning now
Murder.
to go inside of this.
Murder.
So you know, this is the first time the guys I'm really, no I lie, I've done this ages ago. So this time is special. I put some coal in the fire. While the cooking are going, see what's going on with these man now. I lie, Rasta Jackson locks out. It's just sitting on the rock like a merman.
Yes, you know.
Jackson is sitting on the rock like a merman.
Yes, extended color, every time. Yeah, they're living color, live in living color.
Yeah.
Keen alive.
Yeah.
All of extended family, we love them every time. More big up and more love every time. Like Mama River. Little girl, you know. Keep up on little girl, you know what they don't know.
Yeah.
It's little funky dog to that, horse dog to that. Yes, I love that for coconut milk, you know. Living color, live in living color.
That's the merman.
Yeah.
Jack the Ripper, Daniel the Ripper over there, so.
Yeah, man, man.
He's tick-tacking. And what was usual, run out the kitchen. You know.
That's a worm! Why? Yeah, man.
We are called wife.
One man, it is. Yeah, man, that's a worm, I tell you, whoa!
Well, alright, so let's go check and see what's going on up here on the work site. Yeah. So everything is set on in the kitchen. Now I'm see what I'm going up here. You know, see Jenna. Always have a knapsack on. And we have the $1 million night. I notice that bag never put down when you're working. Yeah, mix her. Yeah, same way. Our prefect is here on the painting. You want a ladder?
Leather.
I tried that one.
Careful with the ladder still.
Yeah.
You never have no roller?
Roller?
Never bring a roller?
I have the roller, man. I use.
A small one there?
Yeah. No, the big one.
Yeah.
That's the most out this set.
Oh, you have the big one though?
Yeah, big one there. To them
Yeah.
I'll paint. You don't really want the big one.
Okay.
Chewing the iron fast.
Yeah. Jella for go balance that.
Yeah, man. Let me just top off this and come on.
Yeah. Please balance. Can't afford if you're not falling. This ain't spalling. Alright, so Jella go and balance it so. You touch up outside already, prefect.
Yeah?
You touch up this already?
No, it's less so left. The one inside, I'm done.
You finish inside?
I go so now. When I left from here, sir,
Yeah.
I go that side, I go round. And done with that color.
Okay.
You take off the pin.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to watch how you lead.
Yeah.
Keep it there,
Watch your stripe. Alright guys, so as you can see, these boards are already finished. We have to go try We definitely have to go make Badger try to, you know, say what you can put to hide these gaps. As you can see the light coming through. You know. So all up in here is finished painted now by the prefect. You know, finished painted by the prefect. Where you want to go? Where you come from inside and do it then? It's easy.
I make this till that's how come to touch yourself. Don't watch your
Which way you want to catch yourself?
Yeah,
that's why I say you have to come from inside.
Come in this, you know.
Yeah. Cause boy, I don't want to see you go any further up. So I go on inside with the electrician and Badger the inside here. So as you can see, these are the final installation for the lights. So you know today they will have them lights up and running, the wires them will be connected and everything. We have Orius electrician himself, you know, putting in the work. See him here and charging knockout for 6. Charger. Knockout for 6. So our Badger is taking place now.
I see a Badger take place. You have to below back the wall. You have to flash over back the wall.
Oh, it never level.
Plum, so you don't know, say anything when I sit,
Yeah.
get a good
Plum.
finish at least a plum or square, but you know?
Yeah. So the floor one and gone in. And the floor is taking its course. Alright.
So that's what I get.
Well, charges are right now you use this level. Yeah. Oh, so you have to put the board across here so forget the plug.
Yeah, forget the level.
You get the level.
For level the tile where I go around.
Okay.
But this now I have to flash out all of this because you have to go in and up here so different and you know, so for the tile sit down on the wall and you know use enough you have to flash it out as you use less things.
Yeah.
There's a big gap, all a 2 inch, 3 inch gap out there behind.
Oh. And that I got easy for break with the tile.
Yeah, let it take too much.
And take too much.
Yeah, unless you just paste the tile on the wall as it is. Which that's no good, you know?
Yeah. So it have to catch the level from up here so where the new black run. So here's where you have the level. So I can't see the belly here so. I only put belly this man.
All of the belly we have to catch out there. So say I have a plum. So I catch this now. At least you catch back with the head of this now. So you start go up now. You just take a little less.
Yeah.
You know, that's a kind of good still. Work with that. Yes or no?
Yes, I kind of push out too much. That one over here, so you do.
Yeah, it's still away, but you can work around that still.
Okay, well, you can chip off the belly.
Yeah. When you fix something for yourself, it's easier than when you have to fix something where never in line, you know?
Yeah.
And you know where approach things right here, you know, when I go on a space car like that. Yeah. So, come on. Alright.
Okay. Charge mash up back himself.
You're bedridden from morning. Okay.
So I want the flush. How should the pipe I got the pan the same all day?
Yeah man. You go. Me as we go when you dead. You go double it from here so.
Bore a hole.
Bore a hole through it. So you just know the top come through it.
Okay.
And then it go up in the shower. That's what I feel and really power it up.
So guys, see, this is the before. Yeah, that's when the burger finish with this. How it look.
Barger. You.
After.
Make up the seat up here.
Oh, we are chase it up?
Yeah.
No, man, I'm going to bat it some, man.
Alright, the best way for us to sip it.
Yeah, I'm going to bat it some, man.
Alright, that's a 40.
Yeah. Spark on a ball, set him up.
Yeah, man, we give him money already.
So this is the look, guys. So just imagine the after. Imagine the after. Beautiful, man. So, alright then, so I got circle about bar, just say it on the circle, I got say it, look. So see it there?
Circle, you get a different look. Forward.
Jeez! See the catch there already? That's the catch. That is the catch. Charge it! Charge it! Mash up. Mash up, mash up. Electrician there, I go and do it maths. Yes, are we going electrician?
Yeah, man. Great, man.
Yes, fixing the final puzzle of the jigsaw. So you say you have a professional electrician and the team also. So you don't know if you have an electrician jobs, you know we have the professionals here. You know we have Barge at the builder already. You know we have electrician yes as well too. Professional. You know, you get your thing well execute. When JP is coming off of us pass it, kind of like, wow, who did this? You know? No round corner. Everything is official. You know, we have prefect yesterday, man, and paint himself. Hey, remember that from the prefect after that paint job? I remember the one with him, man. Remember you from the other paint job? I remember the one where you and Joe go up on our Portmore. So you all got the fish now. And ready up. So fish time. You know, dumpling already finished and everything. So dumpling finished. So here's the dumpling ready. Custard pretty. You know. And we have this. Yeah. And we have this stew. We'll simmer down. I know fish time, we're gonna fry now. Alright guys, so here the fish is going in. Fish time. Fish brothers and sisters. That's how it should hot, you know, well hot. Let's continue to find up with the hand, Nana. Alright guys, so another thing that's a fish turn in. Stew peas simmering down, dumpling ready. So you know the things are ready, almost already. Alright. So we have parrot, we have snapper, and snapper as well. So parrot and snapper. And we have one doctor.
Doctor?
Yeah. So I never fried doctor before, but this one is gonna be fried. Right, Nana? Because I'm me and Nana in the kitchen, you know. Toko just a come back. Toto run away. And Cranberry. She just a come back. She never 3 o'clock. She never help you down, Nana. Them run gone left in the kitchen, Nana.
When the food almost done, they'll come back.
Them a time the pot. Them a time the pot. Oh. So me have Nana as a fan lady. Nana help me crash off your fan just in case any fly trying to come. Now just get rid of them. Hey, I said I know Nana not play, you know. So make them go and fire a bit. Nana go and fun for me. Hey, me Nana, fun for me, Nana, fun for me, Nana. Oh, fun for me. The stew paste is ready. Dumpling ready, stew paste ready. Dumpling ready, stew paste ready. Say no. Land, that's the fish them now we are waiting to fry. We don't need to make no fish gravy because this is stew with dumpling and fish. You know. Finger licking day today, you know. Who for finger ain't licking unless them got no fingers to lick. Yeah? Nature. Turn them to them brown and nice. Eh? Me like to them teeth. What do them? We don't know what do them. So, Shay, where are you? Food almost ready. Ain't not here yet. So, I guess guys, she's running to little traffic. I know coming up this side because they left out in the afternoon. We've been here from in the morning, so we kind of was in the morning traffic and now we're out the morning traffic. So she literally in the afternoon traffic right now. You know? Cranberry, bring one of those water for me, please. Can you show I go and charge you now? Well, I don't know why I'm so stubborn. Man, so stubborn, guys. I'm telling you over there, we are telling the man he need to go to the hospital. And Charge is very, very stubborn, boy. Very, very stubborn. You know, no matter how much, very, very stubborn. So, I don't even know what to say, you know. Thanks. Them time they want. prep things, you know.
Yeah.
Cause finish what they are finish off. And come here. Everything done, so I fry what they are fry up the rest right now.
Okay.
So guys, so see they fish them. Evening, so Shay and the team just arrived. See him here. Who that? What you say?
You know, say, you just tell Shay say, oh, say, pumpkin dumpling.
Yeah.
You just tell us, hope it done enough.
Yeah, hope it done.
Come and eat pumpkin dumpling now.
Yes, sir, there for the one. Yeah. Ah, cool up general. Manners.
Yeah, guys.
Already.
Yeah? Yeah. Say no that already. That's the black beans stew.
Alright.
So the black beans stew. No. Come my fanning lady. Come down my fanning lady.
Alright.
So the
pumpkin dumpling.
So that's the pumpkin dumpling.
Yeah.
Cooked down in a coconut milk. That don't need butter. So that cooked down with coconut milk.
Alright.
Get that picture I finished.
What did it go? This is right. Yeah.
Them up this are working and them up at the house are work.
Oh, them up there?
Yeah, so you can go catch up there as well.
Active.
Yeah, you can go up at the house because some of the team members them up there at work, so you can go check them out.
I do, but I had a coconut water.
So guys, so they are going to finish off. So Shay, you never meet Daniel. I never meet Sparks. Sparks, come in.
Nice to meet you guys. Everybody has to feel good.
The same thing Ira said yesterday.
Yeah.
Ira said the same thing yesterday. Ira said no ring, no the palm finger.
You know, we have some big mess something with the carry this, you know you have that issue, yeah?
Yeah, so I have to...
It would have covered it fully.
Oh, so I have to have Nana here go and fan, you know? She get the fanning job, so we have to go pay her. But everything covered still, you know?
Yes, I can somebody.
Where's the chef finally? Yeah. Go up under the fall, man. You have a big fall along the side. You have a big fall along here, so.
I see it. You're not
going there. So share, enjoy yourself. So I'm going to check on Badger them to see them finish, you know, so we can start share the food, because food and everything is ready. So let me go check on them and so on. Yeah. Yes, prefect. No roller.
Yeah, use a big roller.
Okay.
To the creases.
Yeah.
Creases, you know that now going on waste.
Yeah. So guys, look at this. This is the finishing touch on the outside of the house. This is the finishing touch that's taking place right now. Yeah. So guys, so them are right now, them have the finishing up right now. The food ready and everything ready, you know, so. I don't know if them ready.
No, we're going to go to it. I'm left for me.
Yeah. So them are going to put in the work, so they're not ready for eat yet. So the food ready and waiting for them, you know. But the table full long there with drinks if you don't need drinks. See you have something on your foot. That and you have a ginger wine.
You're mean to me, no? You're mean to me.
30 grand. We'll throw some 200 wine for him.
No ice or nothing on it, that's it.
Alright, so guys, as you can see, the house looking beautiful, you know. Prefect doing a good paying job. Prefect, them done put some pink on the window already, you know. Them already put some pink on this. So you put the pink on it back.
Yeah, man, I put the pink on the window.
Yeah. No, you don't have to take out. You don't have to take out.
But it's more easy to feel.
A simple thing, I think I just wipe them, see my wife. I don't have to take it out. Yeah, I know.
I'm going to put one paper them.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Arias, electrician work done?
Oh, no, we can't come out of so. Can't you out away?
Yeah.
Outside of the food of so, and I plug in a so.
Oh.
Kitchen plug, you know? But through paint, we can't.
Oh, come out here, so yeah.
Yeah, so the next come now and lock off.
Okay. So, so that's them before connect.
Never come to, we can't go there, but I run up wire from the top, we go outside.
Okay.
That's not to the back,
Yeah.
That's all left for lock off.
Okay.
And everything is lock off.
So soon, so we have to get rid of this now soon then.
Yeah, this is about come man. This day not a man. You hear me?
Yeah.
Table is the next color come man.
Right. Alright. Arias, come here. So they have 2 switch, right? 3 switch there here, so.
Yeah, one for the outside, one for the inside.
These 2 and this one.
The bathroom.
Bathroom this.
Outside.
Inside. Oh, this is for inside, this is for outside. And this is for bathroom. And them have this right here. And the panel already up and running.
Yeah, that's the earth to cut it. One day I have to do over the outside.
Okay. Charge it there, sick out in the bed. Sit down when I go to the doctors. Now we have Barger in here. Wow.
Nobody can start the sweet. Why the pipe there up there so high? Why the pipe there up there so?
And the current pipe.
See what today?
The current tonight. My foot.
You want some water? First of all, you say you want water. Mama, tell you the same.
You say what?
You want me testing sugar?
Testing sugar?
Yeah. Choco, Tara, give me the
So charge you feeling weak? Charge you? You feel weak? Yeah? So no one got the hospital? Why? The best if you go to the hospital feel weak, you need to go so them can give you the drip. Don't feel like you're gonna lie down until I get better. Cause you've been vomiting also. Can you vomit a lot as well, right, Ken?
everything. You can't keep down.
You can't keep down in.
You can keep looking what I talk about. You go stiff.
So. Charge, you can't play a game with your life, you know, man. You can't be so stubborn and know so your health problem this and you have the kids them around here lurking, notice that them dad is sick. Definitely forgot buy a chestnut jar phone as well too. Cause I'm definitely gonna need one. Yeah, and charge it. Yeah, cause
like say Kim alone I go down there, but I go down there go stay again. But nice, I go come down.
yeah, but it's better if you go down there.
You go from morning, but I down there. Until you get through them, but I come up back with the girls there. Yes. Like say I'm alone I go.
And we are telling him say need to go as well. And he don't want to go. So we got to test him sugar. Well, it I go high. You know? It I go high. Oh, so. Well, the man playing games with his life, you know, Baja. You know, I go. So food ready, everything ready, you know, Baja.
I go away in there, slap out this one.
Yeah, man.
So the whole I have to have a spray up. Mash up them.
Oh, to have a spray out.
Yeah, no level.
Bathroom is a task.
So from it, I set good from morning. Yes, if you just do it, you have to do it now. Make it look up.
Mind the wire.
You have to plait it today in the car. Just put on, get the comb and put on.
No blood now come.
That's very smooth. A cementing you can make this smooth?
Charge, shall try to prick him. So him can get some blood to test the sugar.
This is a bottom one. Outside. Nah, come on.
You know, listen, yeah, but up here so hard. More than you stand if you find out something so hard, yeah. Sure.
Tara, move.
Tara, don't put your hand there.
Tara, move.
I never seen a light. Look, teeny bit of more.
So. What? It not read.
Man, put in a different strip like.
Not read.
Squeeze it up, come on, something later.
Stop, Tara.
Right, there's so come see.
Squeeze what it's on. And you have to put something like machine. Long with steel.
Awesome. How many people want a second chance in life? So many. He's playing with his. Nice. Yes, Barger is looking nice.
So the PST, you know something?
Yeah.
Queer it back with the tile.
Come on, can't see the fact them push out.
See machine.
So far.
See if I'd say, I'm me line up, don't come on.
Yeah.
But you just have to work in way out.
Yeah, that's why. Well, they see that done already, but you have to dig off, level off, plumb off.
That's the inside.
That's the inside. So one side well done, that side there. Now, so basically guys, the wall is not plumb, because I know when Charger was doing it, it never was using no level or anything.
Yeah.
So the wall never plumb, so it never level. So for in harder to put the tile for everything on one level, you know you have to try to dig off and get and flash out and get everything on the one level. Otherwise it's gonna take more thin set, more this and more that. So Barger said that wall now down at the bottom part, because remember the top part of where Barger they carry. So below right here where Charger didn't have to go flash out, so you can have the one level. So the wall them have one plumb. So it's like how the tile is sitting on the wall there, so there's some work that have to get done first, so you could get everything level. Like how same thing on this side. So I'm say Barger's a man of his trade, you know, so you know where for them. Always make it work.
I reach the best one. I see this now, I'm not going to further with that. Catch a board up there, so the side they're not really weighing in me, so that can stop this. So.
Oh.
You see me? I just have to just work with the wall with the corner.
Yeah.
Here.
So I just drop some stuff on the back and just...
This you put the tile strip there, so.
And on the top?
And this now, you will drop some stuff behind it, so let me put the tile strip on it.
Yeah.
And carry it round.
Yeah, please.
That's the same thing with this one. I think you should have carry this out here, so. Alright, the window comes.
Maybe I agree, man, I leave it, man.
Sure.
Still not get no blood?
We have a board or something. That board is something, that board is something, no, John?
There's so many people bored.
Yeah, I mean something, that board. camera, load that camera. I'm gonna make you go for it. Load that camera.
Mommy, that's ready.
No, give me something. Give me that one back in the machine.
That's the street we like.
Give me that's the street. I'll pass the machine. Give me that.
What is this?
So guys, so it's time now for go share the food. So remember I cook 6 pounds of flour. And guess what? There's more mouth come than the 6 pounds. So we still have to go make it work. You know? We still have to go make it work. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21. Alright guys, so here what we have now. So we have so far we have counted about 22 plates, so it's with about 22 of us. You know, that's enough. So wait, there's a sparks. The 10 where you say that we're going to eat, boy.
That's 6, cut down to 6.
Cut down.
To 6.
I cut right down, boy.
Yeah man. 6.
And cut right down, so it's that time now for the sharing is caring, you know. Osh, it cut down, it cut right down. So here we're going to make the magic work because there's so many mouths, you know. Nana, come around there and fan. Any fly you say please. You have to make sure say you start off small, then you start to add. The one thing with me, I know to shit. So guys, so here's the table. So here what I have to do. We make it work. 3, 3, 3, so 2 person, 1, 2, 2. And this is 3, 3, 3, 3. You know? And we have 3, 3, 3 over here. And the kids them 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. So we make it work. You know, and put some of the custard and then you have to leave back 2 dumplings now for Jinjin. Jinjin did hack, so I go on.
What you say, Cranberry?
5 dumplings.
5 dumplings?
Yeah.
You know what I want to You know what I
Me want 3 dumplings.
You want 3 dumplings?
Me want 3.
I hear
Loco. Oh, him. How you name? For the father.
Nana.
Nana, big up yourself. Daughter, so that she one of them. Son, our business.
There's a lot of mouth here to feed, so we have to stretch it, make it work.
Me want 2 dumplings.
A good thing, I say 6 pounds of flour. You can see me? Look at me. Is it showing? Is it showing?
But it can't see the front.
Wow, that's a cicada. Bent over more.
Like a
Yeah, man, I'm a soul, man. Man, show you a city where you go. Man, say, go to city where you just dead. Like 20 city man there, no?
Dale, pedale.
20 city. Man, about gas station. Yeah, man. Keep on
Alright, so the stew gone on to the plates. You know, the stew is on. Then we're going to put the fish on the plates. So you're making it work.
More dumpling left.
You want more than this? But I say, look like say me eat dog everything.
Ready.
Yeah.
Eat ready like spready.
Shay, give them the fork. Shay said she's going 2 dumpling.
Yeah, thank you.
She's going 2 dumpling.
One dream team make this possible. You hear that? Man, big up scene of the founder. You hear that?
Prefect corner. You said no grace?
This is it.
No, in fact. There's more grace.
It's bad.
You eat so much?
You have more grace.
Eh? So much? Oh, you deal with there. You said it's too much for you?
And fried fish, guys.
Yeah, you see that? Should I give you a dumpling?
Here, guys, see there? So what are we there, you know? Like a spoon, you know?
We'll make it work, man. Oh, yes. Well,
You know, you say a 6.
yo, but the chop think it can reach 6. Yeah, could reach 6 at all.
So we give one a few more, another 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, can't manage it. You better manage that,
Pinedo.
Come in, Pinedo, come in.
Jella.
Give me the give come on.
Oh.
Alright, so you don't know Kino?
Alright,
thank you, brother.
Yeah. Eh?
You still have no sugar eat healthy.
Sugar eat healthy.
One clean up one here.
You know, no?
Yeah, baby. It's nice, guys.
Say what this? Say what this?
Nice.
But I feel like you have to and drink the juice.
Come in, Pineda, come in.
Wait, that one with me.
I bring up tire one thing.
It's a tire one day.
No.
And
Before.
your mother
Man, I bring up mommy one.
and charge it. Charge is sick out and not eat.
That's part them the champion.
Bring up
Part in
mommy one.
there. Alright, cool.
How you make that? How you make this?
Tina, make it possible.
Black beans,
Thank you.
just like you're making stew peas.
Came here.
Yeah.
Just 2 pieces logo, you me.
Okay. Eh?
No more red peas.
They said no more red peas.
Red peas.
Black beans. So far as reach 4.
4 kids here.
4.
Still shot at 2, you got that.
Yeah, no, I shot at 6.
No, 2.
6 man.
Engineer do.
No, well maybe 11.
Yeah.
11 is shorter. Jella.
But he's in there.
Every job, what you gonna do? Yeah, pick it up.
Wash it up in the river.
Wash it up in the river. We'll cover that. Get to cover now. Alright, so Gin. So, say, when you forgot about Gin, wow, chef. You forgot about Gin. But you forgot about him. What you say? No, we are bringing that for Gin. We put another dumpling and that for Gin. Yeah. That's all him talk about. A pair half on the rice him talk about.
So, you wash out the pot of everything in the middle.
One more flour in that fish.
Show me after boy now.
That Gin. Baja.
Yeah, come from that one.
But the bad one, you wash up, I got use him. Jackson street, go in there, Pat. See your mother one here.
She said, we said it in Nanga.
Jaju one.
We got daddy one I left here.
When you finish. Baja.
You know what Nana one?
Yeah. So we get some review now. So I go on by the riverside. No. Black beans stew. What you say? Bad. Are the eye open wide?
The US them are in the hotel.
100 US. Yo, I felt Mr. Orius eye open so wide. I must know. Yeah, where's the Pinedo?
Yeah man, live location man.
Live. Alright, so I go on over here to the far right.
The one's up in there? That's our question. What up in the pot? The gang was sitting.
Yeah.
When it's done.
Yeah, I circle the pot.
Pineda, you want help? No man, I'm good.
Here's the share.
Listen, everybody, every subscriber need to come visit Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know, can cook food on this. Salam.
A bombshell.
A bombshell. They say Hercules. Hercules with the thumbs up. And she's over there by the river. I enjoy hers.
That river one.
Yeah.
Right there.
Quick and fast. You know? Or, hey, the first Mr. Orius eye open so wide. I must know. You know? Oh, prefect, I lie. No, man, prefect not play.
I don't matter,
Yeah. Prefect, go circle the pot. Go circle the pot and say, fan, dump it in there, you know. I whisper it here, you know. Just go look and see what I go on, yeah? Yeah. Rapper. Outside. Jenna. Oh, you go on, Jenna, man.
I pick it. I can't cry too.
One more for go up.
Okay, bring up.
Yeah. No, I don't want no more. Big one, yeah. A pumpkin this.
A pork.
That's a raw dumpling.
There. Hey, Sparks, go and look what go on there, Pat. I say prefect go on there, Pat, you know.
Prefect?
Yeah, go and look what go on there, Pat. Go and look what go on there, Pat. I say prefect.
No, man, go over the pot.
Jackson, what go on there, shoe look so.
Let's go there, let's see can just go there before I get around. You see one of my barbers are jam it around.
Yeah. Oh, what's that? January.
No, not chunky. Put the money up.
Don't know it already, you know.
Alright, yo, move on. You go down and go on. Prefect, what that?
Prefect, what that?
Best dumpling then. Best dumpling man took out, brother.
Yeah. Ribs left. Spare ribs. Like, we say one step, half pound of rice with that.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, better come here.
No, I'm just for them dumpling, them carry this man, no. And I shot my one, you know.
Skip a veg, man. Skip a veg.
Eh? You mean?
Skip out empty in the garden, man.
Yeah, skip out the garden, man. Oh. No, man, believe that, no.
No, I say skip out the garden. You ever see party itself? It's still right there.
Side of the man.
Yeah, man.
Pure coconut milk and everything when I eat there. It's a half pound of rice with this now. Pure rice, that ocean belly, you know, see there? Rice belly.
Hey, I'm a flavor stew, this, you know.
Black beans.
Black beans stew, no. Flavor stew blade, man, you know.
What will my David Jack say? Them dumpling are expensive, you know, but not giving on. Hello, you're going to get your cake. Nana get hers already. You shirt on me, okay? Wait, just so get to your toe come.
So I said, you know,
the pot you don't have to wash.
Lucky, lucky.
Hey, Baja, the pot, Jackson made the pot now for wash.
Lucky.
With the Baja, yes. Yo, look here. We are still leave nothing in the pot, brother.
I tell him nothing, but him nah, this is what I say. Nah, this is what I tell you. No, not me, I tell him.
Nah, yeah,
man. You can't even show that. You put my left back crossing that pot. Left back was back. My left back in that pot. Sick, man, no?
Yo, water wet.
I remember when my grandmother used to cook some stewed peas and every little thing. You know me. It feel like she had a oxtail like.
Bad.
That's travel tea and things I do in my house.
Yeah.
Man. Yeah. Boy, you pack up.
What about your box off quick, man?
Let me the spark that one.
What? A 6 sparks, get them, man.
Você está mostrando aqui tem
Abaixo. Who never get cake?
Me never get cake.
Oh, them never get over here, so. I'll give them cake first. So we have cake as well for dessert. Them never get. Cake. Pinedo.
Yeah, man, do it.
Cake. So you get cake replacement for the.
The cake will suck up.
My hand have no finger left back, you know.
Are your finger here licked too? Thank you. You want cake?
Yeah, give you one.
Yeah, I take one.
No want cake. Did you get cake? The eggs. Did you get cake, right?
Yeah.
Prepare to get cake?
One genius cinnamon. Never two.
Eh? Did you get cake?
I'm not getting a cake.
Sparks, did you get cake?
No.
Okay, so the two of them left for you two. Jella, they get fair one already.
Hey, Jella,
30 grand, bring food will come up there. 30 grand.
Give me.
Yeah, Jella. Oh. Eh? Yes, sir. Yeah, me check it right one. Jella say, oh. She never remember. Jella never remember. Jella say, oh. So guys, so you see that now? Me I go want to eat now. So you know the thing go. You know, so blessed love. So I must say the work still continue to me and charge it. You know, I charge it not feeling so well. You know, so we're gonna come back and do some more work as well too. So blessed love guys, blessed love. So anyway, think of Dream Team One Team. We're out here, you know, black bean stew. And some pumpkin in the dumpling. Wow. Nana, you like it? Wow. Nana plate is empty. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.